A hearty welcome to the dear darlings of Sri Gokulam Public School. Welcome to the English online class, and this is Nida ma'am with you. We were discussing the lesson Reach for the Top, and we have just learned how the India's proud girl Santosh Yadav had scaled up to the Mount Everest at her tender age of 18 twice. This is definitely an extraordinary task for anyone to do. We have just seen what the kind of struggles that she had to go through even from a young age to achieve her dream. In today's class, we are going to discuss about yet another extraordinary personality, Maria Sharapova, the top-seeded woman singles tennis player. What is her secret for mantra? What made her extraordinary and what has charged her to achieve her dreams? Let's quickly get into the lesson and learn from her. Maria Sharapova's smile and glamour is something which is very unique and likable. And probably it is this quality in her that helped her to achieve success and become the world's #1 tennis player on Monday, 22nd August 2005. Born in Siberia, Russia, and as a teenager, she took only 4 years of training to become the top-seeded woman tennis player. Definitely, there is a calmness and an elegance which is beyond her age. The fast growth seen in her career started 9 years ago, and this was achievable for her due to the great sacrifices which she had made as a young child, which again is not seen in many children. It is very interesting and surprising to know that she had not even turned 10 years old when she was sent to Florida, USA from her birthland, Russia, with her father for training in tennis. She says that she was extremely sad as she had to spend 2 years separation from her mother, Yelena. Of course, we know that a 10-year-old child can hardly stay away from their parents. But her mother forced her to stay. She could not also stay with the child because she did not have the permit to travel to USA. So at this tender age of 9 years old, she had to learn in a very harsh manner that in order to excel at tennis, she would have to make many sacrifices. She recollects that she used to remain alone and she missed her mother a lot. Her father was also unable to support her mentally and motivate her because he had to work very hard to fetch money and had very little time to meet her. Maria was very young and so she would sleep at 8 p.m. The other students at her hostel would return at 11 and would wake her up, ordering her to clean the room. Of course, they were very strict and harsh with her. Often she was bullied by the other roommates. But Maria did not let herself get depressed by all this. Instead, she took this as a positive and she became determined and mentally tough. She learned to take care of herself. The only thing that burned in her was her passion to learn tennis. She knew that if she had to achieve what she wanted, she had to go through many tough times. She did not let anything of this let her fail. She never thought of leaving the training because she was determined to achieve her aim. She says that she had to go through great humiliation and insults also to achieve her dream. Maria retains her determination till present day. And it is this determination that led her to grab the women's singles trophy at the Wimbledon Championship in 2004, followed by the rapid climb to the top position in 2005. The tennis fans across the world feels emotional to know about Maria's journey from the frozen region of Siberia. But she herself is not moved by it. She is very straightforward and has got a clear clarity of thought and speech. She gives straight answers which aims at implying that she accepts hurdles and challenges whenever she had to face it. She adds that she is competitive and works hard and considers it to be a part of her work. It has become a habit for her to work hard and give 100% dedication to whatever she is doing. She says that this is her secret for success, or rather, the mantra for her success. Maria's speech has an American accent because at the age of 9 years onwards, she has been living in America. But she says that she is proud to be a Russian. A large part of her life is lived in America and she is trained over there, but in the core of her heart, she is a Russian. She still holds the citizenship of Russia and she is willing to represent Russia at the Olympics too. Maria also adds on that, like all other teenagers of her age, her favorite pastimes are fashion, singing, and dancing. She likes to read the suspense novel written by Arthur Conan Doyle, the creator of Sherlock Holmes. She loves to wear fashionable evening gowns. And looking at her fit body, it is also unbelievable when she says that pancakes and chocolate spreads and drinks aerated are her favorite. Maria cannot be put into a particular category. Her talent, urge to succeed and sacrificing nature had helped her to reach the top position in women's tennis. And no one definitely is going to oppose the benefits that she is getting now because she has gone through a lot of struggles to get that. Maria says that she is very professional when she is approaching tennis and she knows that how important money is when she is working hard for it. She says that tennis is not only a passion for her but also a business and her profession. But the most important factor for her is to reach at the top spot of the women's tennis. She says that it was this dream that kept her working hard. Now, my darlings, you have just learned on how Maria Sharapova had achieved her dreams. It is not a mere simple task that she had to overcome. You have seen the kind of humiliation and insults that she had to go through at the age of 10 years or 11 years to get into what she wanted. The world has many more personalities and stories to quote. Let yours be one amongst them. We are capable of getting anything that we need. The only thing that we need to do is strive hard and put in our best to achieve what we want. Let the troubles and challenges not fail you. May you have the determination and strength to surpass everything. Let this also be your mantra for success. So with this, I am concluding today's class. I hope each one of you focus on your work and strive hard to achieve your dreams. It is possible. Thank you and have a nice day.